Okay. My name is Ignatius, and today I will be presenting my research titled The Influence of Company Benefits on Employee Loyalty in Startup Companies. The study focused on understanding how different types of benefits shape employees' loyalty within startup environments. I explained the core problem that the study addresses. Employee loyalty has become a major concern for modern companies, especially startups. Although startups are known for innovation, they also face rapid change and structural instability. This condition influence employee perception of job security, career development, and long-term commitment. Because startup must compete with other company for top talent, employee benefits such as incentive, flexible working hours, and development opportunities play a crucial role in shaping loyalty. Several theories help explain this relationship. Social exchange theory suggests that when employees feel supported through meaningful benefits, they tend to keep pocket with greater commitment. Herzberg two-factor theory shows that benefits act as hygiene factors that prevent dissatisfaction. Job embeddedness theory further explains how benefits strengthen employee fit, social links, and the sacrifice they would make if they left the organization. However, most previous research focused on large corporations, not startups. While study highlight the importance of benefit, we still lack empirical evidence on how benefits influence loyalty in startup environments, which are more uncertain and resource constrained. This creates a clear research problem. Understanding this issue is important because higher loyalty reduces turnover costs and supports the long-term sustainability of startups. This study is original because it explores an under-examined context and provides insights that are relevant for HR practitioners, startup founders, and policymakers promoting innovation. The main objective of this research is to examine how company benefits influence employee loyalty in startup companies. This overarching question guides the entire study and helps us understand which type of benefits matter most in shaping employee commitment. To support this main objective, the study includes several specific research questions. First, it aims to determine the relationship between monetary benefit, such as salary, bonuses, incentive, and employee loyalty. Second, it examines the influence of non-monetary benefits, including flexible working time and career development opportunities. The study also evaluates how employee perception of benefits provided by the company shape the level of organizational commitment. Another objective is to assess whether job embeddedness play a mediating role between company benefits and employee loyalty. Finally, the study seeks to identify which type of benefits are perceived as the most impactful of improving loyalty among startup employees. These research questions collectively have provided a clear understanding of how different forms of benefits contribute to building and maintaining employee loyalty in startup environments. The research focused specifically on examining how company benefits influence employee loyalty within startup companies. It looks at the mechanism through which different types of benefits shape employee attitudes, perception, and long-term commitment to the organization. Geographically, the study is limited to startup companies operating in Indonesia. This focus ensures that findings remain context. For the sample, the study targets full-time employees working in startup across the technology, service, and creative sector. The participating companies are defined as a startup that are less than 10 years old, ensuring consistency within common definition in the entrepreneurial ecosystem. The primary unit of analysis is the individual employee. Data will be collected directly from employee to understand their personal perception of company benefit and their level of loyalty. Methodologically, the study uses a quantitative approach through a structured questionnaire. The collected data will be analyzed using descriptive statistics, correlation tests, and regression modeling. This method allows the study to identify how different components of company benefits relate to employee loyalty outcomes. Significance of the research. The study adds to the growing field of the employee loyalty, especially within the context of organizational behavior and human resource management. It highlights how company benefits play a key role in shaping loyalty in startup environments, which are often defined by rapid change, limited resources, and fast-paced growth. The findings provide a clearer insight into how benefits can function as strategic tools for retaining top talent. Additionally, the study applies modern theoretical frameworks such as social exchange theory and the psychological contract. And then the psychological contract offering a strong foundation for future research on compensation system, organizational culture, and employee commitment. Beyond academia, the study is also highly relevant for government, policymakers, and industry. By identifying which benefits are most effective in enhancing loyalty, policymakers can create guidelines that support sustainable HR practice in startups. For business leaders, especially those working with tight budget, the results offer practitioner direction on how to allocate resources to maximize employee loyalty. Ultimately, this research contributes to strengthening the startup ecosystem, improving productivity in emerging industry, and supporting national economic growth through a better talent retention and job creation. Literature review. Research on employee loyalty has evolved significantly over time. Early studies in 90s focused mainly on job satisfaction, emphasizing factors such as supervision quality, work environment, and intrinsic motivation. By the 2000, the scope broadened to include compensation, job security, and organizational support. More recent studies, especially those published after 2015, highlight employee loyalty within startup and technology-driven environments. The study emphasized the importance of benefits such as a health insurance, flexible work arrangement, and performance incentive, reflecting shifting labor market expectation toward work-life balance and physiological well-being. The study is guided by two main theoretical lenses. First, social exchange theory, which explains that loyalty is formed through reciprocal exchange. When employees receive valuable benefit, they feel obligated to reciprocate with commitment. Second, the psychological contract theory, which focus on employee expectation when company benefit meet this expectation, loyalty strengthen. When expectations are unmet, loyalty decline. Additional concepts include organizational commitment, perceived organizational support, and total reward. From a top-down perspective, the literature show how human resource management practice, especially compensation and benefit, shape employee outcome in startup environments. Startup face challenges such as unstable job structure, limited resources, and heavy workloads, making benefits even more critical for fostering support, fairness, and long-term loyalty. Based on this review, four hypotheses are developed. This propose that financial and non-financial benefits both positively influence loyalty, that perceived organizational support mediate this relationship, and that demographic factors may moderate the effect. Together, these hypotheses form the basis for the empirical investigation. Research methodology. In this study, I use quantitative, cross-sectional survey design to understand how company benefits influence employee loyalty in startup environments. This approach allow me to collect numerical data at a single point in time and measure the relationship among variables efficiently. I use purposive sampling to target employees who currently work in startup and have at least 6 months of experience and aiming for around 200 respondents to ensure strong statistical result. Data were collected through an online questionnaire using 5-point Likert scale, and all ethical principles were followed, including informed consent, voluntary participation, and full confidentiality. The measurement tools were adapted from established sources. Company benefits were measured using Milkovic's framework, while employee loyalty was measured using Mayer and Allen's three-component model. For the analysis, I used descriptive statistic, variability and validity testing, correlation analysis, and multiple regression to determine how strongly company benefit predict employee loyalty. And all analyses were conducted using software such as SPSS and Smart PLS. Thank you.